Okay, if you go to number 15 on the review, oh, this looks a little trickier. The limit as t goes to pi of the sine of t times the cosine of t over t minus pi. Remember, we have that other definition of derivative, that f prime at a is equal to the limit as x approaches a of f of x minus f of a all over x minus a. All right, so here your a, you should be able to recognize, is pi. And you know that the sine of pi is 0. So this, you could kind of put right in here if you wanted. I'll just kind of note, I could extend here, and this is going to be minus the sine of pi times the cosine of pi. So it's like they didn't write it. So this, of course, is just 0, so it gets you back to that. So your original function, f of x, is sine x cosine x. So if you want to take the derivative of that, you'll use the product rule. The derivative of the first is cosine x times the second minus the derivative of the second, plus the derivative of the second, which is negative cosine x, times the first, which is sine x. And so you're going to get this cosine squared x minus cosine x sine x. Okay, so it's the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative. I'm sorry, I'm going to turn this up. Okay, the derivative first is cosine x times the second, which is cosine x, plus the derivative of the second, which is negative sine x, times the first, which is cosine x. Let's do this up. All right. And let me try again. F prime at x. So it's the derivative of the first, which is cosine x, times the second, which is cosine x, plus the derivative of the second, which is negative sine x, times the first, which is sine x. Sorry about that. All right, so this is going to be cosine squared x minus sine squared x. And then now we want f prime at a, where a here is pi. And so it's going to be the cosine of pi. You can think of it as cosine pi squared minus the sine of pi, and then squared. Of course, this is negative 1 squared minus 0, which is just 1. So that was kind of a fun one to recognize there. Remember, you can always do these limits in your calculator to just kind of verify that that's correct.